A round of applause for Shri S.M. Vedya and Shri Gurmeet Singh. We would now like to commence with the FIPPI Oil and Gas Awards and celebrate the industry's most outstanding achievements. I would request our dignitaries on stage to please take a step forward to present these awards. We'll start with our first award as the Young Achiever of the Year in Oil and Gas Industry Female. The award goes to Ms. Pinky, Indian Oil Corporation Limited. I request Ms. Pinky to please come on stage to receive her award. We also have a cash prize for this award. The award honors Ms. Pinky for her exceptional merit. She conceptualized condensate recovery from dikes of black oil tank, which led to a saving of 17 MT per hour condensate. Her initiatives at CRU unit led to increase in MS production from the refinery. Her initiatives have led to a decrease in steam and hydrogen consumption, resulting in 16 crore rupees per year saving to the refinery. Congratulations to Ms. Pinky for her achievements. Congratulations to Ms. Pinky. In the same category, we have a special commendation, and that goes to Ms. Divya Datta of Engineers India Limited. Ms. Divya Datta was involved in benchmarking of norms for reducing dependence on fresh water for refineries in India. That resulted in 25 to 30% savings in terms of fresh water consumption in all refineries. She envisaged UF-based treatment plant that saved huge space requirements in case of Panipat refinery expansion project. Heartiest congratulations to Ms. Divya Datta for the next award on Young Achiever of the Year in Oil and Gas Industry Male. The award goes to Sharath Goenka, Kane Oil and Gas Vedanta Limited. We also have a cash prize for this award. He led the first ever implementation of tractor conveyed perforation in a horizontal well, leading to threefold production increase in cane. He also led the team to deliver an incremental production of 20,000 BOEPD. I would request the media person to please step back and give room to the award winners to climb up the stairs. They have no room to come up. I would request you to please step back slightly. In the same category, we have special commendation, and the award goes to Mr. Sushobhan Panda, Larsen & Toubro Limited. Mr. Panda handled a team of 13 young production planning engineers to manage the entire production of 40,000 MT of offshore products at Haspa 2. We now celebrate women achievers in the oil and gas industry. The award for Woman Executive of the Year in the oil and gas industry goes to Ms. Gumala Rama, Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. Ms. Rama has now moved to join Reliance PP. We also have a cash prize for this award. She has contributed as business leader in handling challenging roles in diverse fields including mega project implementation, supply chain management, strategy, business process improvement, reliability, risk management, international oil trading. She has also been director on the board of many subsidiaries of HPCL. I would request media persons to please make some way for the award winners to come up. They're really facing a problem coming up on stage. I request all of you to please give them some space to walk on stage to receive their awards. एक दरख्वास्त है हमारे मीडिया भाइयों के लिए, प्लीज़ थोड़ी सी जगह बनाइए ताकि हमारे अवार्ड विनर स्टेज पर आकर अपना अवार्ड ले सके। वो स्टेप्स के ऊपर ही नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, आपने पूरी जगह रोक लिया। आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि प्लीज़ थोड़ा पीछे हो जाइए। नाउ इन द सेम कैटेगरी of the Woman Executive of the Year in Oil and Gas, we have a special commendation and the award goes to Ms. Sonali Parekh of Larsen & Toubro Limited. Ms. Parekh has worked on onshore and offshore projects, from concept phase to delivery on many projects. She was also responsible for cost optimization of up to $5.5 million by initiating value engineering concepts. For the next award on Innovator of the Year team, the jury decided to award two teams under this category. The first award goes to Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited R&D team led by Mr. Sheshachala SN, Chief General Manager R&D. We also have a cash prize for this award. I would request Mr. Sheshachala to please come on stage to receive his award. This award honors the team led by Ms. Sheshachala SN for HPDWA, a tunable alkyl chain anchored and cross-link dewaxing polymer aid for propane dewaxing unit. The second award in this category goes to Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited R&D. This award honors the team led by Mr. Nitin Somkuvar, Manager R&D for Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited for Bharat H2 SEP technology for H2 recovery from refinery off gases, a technology demonstration. I request the R&D team of BPCL to please come on stage. Mr. Nitin Somkumar, the Manager R&D. Both the team members of HPCL and BPCL who have won in this category can collect their individual checks post the ceremony. They will be available here on the right side. So please collect your individual checks. The next award on Digitally Advanced Company of the Year goes to Indian Oil Corporation. I will request the team from IOC to please come on stage. The award is given to Indian Oil Corporation Limited for digitization expansion built on prior year investments and enhanced efforts in the year. Indian Oil once again has demonstrated the progress it has made to achieve true digital excellence by commitment from top leadership, launching high-impact custom tools, advanced analytics, and by embedding digital ways of working, ensuring widespread usage across the organization. A big round of applause for the Indian Oil Corporation team that is on stage and has won the Digitally Advanced Company of the Year award. In the same category, we have a special commendation which goes to Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. A big round of applause for Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. I request the team to please come on stage to receive their award. This award honors Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited for a special commendation as they have stayed focused on the path of digitization, enhancing investments, building a successful, significant presence in social media, customer service excellence, and launching various effective digital programs in refining and marketing. I know our media friends are working very hard to capture each moment of this momentous evening. I request you to please just sit down a little bit. The audience is not able to view what is happening on stage. Please make some way for those coming up on stage and those who are watching. For the next award on Digital Technology Provider of the Year, the award goes to Aspen Tech Technology. Congratulations to the Aspen Technology team. Aspen Technology has been recognized for their achievements in providing digital solutions to oil companies. Their cloud-based asset management and optimization solutions deployed across companies have delivered benefits in refining capacity expansions and safe operations. Congratulations to Aspen Technology. A round of applause for our winners on stage. For the next award on City Gas Distribution, established company. For the next award on City Gas Distribution, established company of the year, the award goes to Central UP Gas Limited. This award honors Central UP Gas Limited for their leading performance in customers' network expansion and highest growth in sales. For the next award on City Gas Distribution Growing Company of the Year, the award goes to AG&P Pratham. Congratulations to AG&P Pratham. The award honors them for their leading performance in customer network expansion and highest growth in CNG stations. Please welcome the AG&P Pratham team with a round of applause. They are the winners in the City Gas Distribution Growing Company of the Year. We now go on to the Engineering Procurement Construction EPC Company of the Year. The award goes to L&T Energy Hydrocarbon. The award honors L&T Energy Hydrocarbon for new water injection facility, Bombay High Southfield. The project involved pre-engineering surveys, design, detail engineering, procurement, fabrication, load out and transportation, installation, hookup, testing and pre-commissioning and commissioning of major facilities. Service Provider Company of the Year. The award goes to SLB. I request the SLB team to please come on stage. The award honors SLB for rigless OALP project. SLB used CT as temporary pseudo-velocity string instead of workover rig. SLB completed the overall project in 35 days, a direct saving of 30% against the initial operation plan for 50 days. Thereby achieved overall saving for the customer. Further, we go on to the Oil Petroleum Products Pipeline Transportation Company of the Year. The award goes to KN Oil and Gas Vedanta Limited. This award honors KN Oil and Gas Vedanta Limited for their leading performance in pipeline operation through reduction in operating costs and specific energy consumption. The Natural Gas Pipeline Transportation Company of the Year. The award goes to GAIL India Limited. Congratulations to GAIL India team. This award honors GAIL India Limited for their leading performance in pipeline operation through higher throughput and reduction in operating costs and specific energy consumption. Oil and Gas Exploration Company of the Year. The award goes to Oil India Limited. This award honors Oil India Limited for their leading performance in exploration of oil and gas by increase in new prospects and leads added through 3D, 2D seismic and higher exploration success rate while complying with the norms of occupational health and safety. For the next award in Oil Marketing Company of the Year, the award goes to Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited. This award honors Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited for their leading performance in market expansion and direct as well as retail sales through customer-centric initiatives. Please give a big round of applause to the winning team of Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited who have won in the Oil Marketing Company of the Year category. We now go to the Sustainably Growing Corporate of the Year. The award goes to Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. The award honors Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited for their outstanding contribution in achieving excellence in sustainability performance and care for the environment. The next award is on Excellence in Human Resource Management, Company of the Year, and the award goes to Cairn Oil and Gas Vedanta Limited. This award honors Cairn Oil and Gas Vedanta Limited for excellence in optimizing recruitment cycle, greater focus on learning and development, and effectiveness in maintaining a diverse workforce. Under the same category, there is a special commendation which goes to Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited. This award honors Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited for excellence in reducing employee attrition, greater focus on learning and development, and effectiveness in maintaining a diverse workforce. Please keep the applause coming for all the winners who are coming on stage. They deserve at least this much and more. We now go on to the Oil and Gas Production Company of the Year, production of more than 1 mmTOE. The award goes to Cairn Oil and Gas Vedanta Limited. This award honors Cairn Oil and Gas Vedanta Limited for delivering gross operated production of 161 kBO EPD during FY 2022. For the next award on Oil and Gas Production Company of the Year, production less than 1 mmTOE, the award goes to Sun Petrochemicals Private Limited. A big round of applause for the winners, Sun Petrochemicals Private Limited. This award honors them for bringing Modhera field and Bawla field to production using innovative methods. For the next award on Best Managed Project of the Year, the award goes to GAIL India Limited for 36 into 352 kilometers Vijaypur-Auraiya Pipeline Project. The award honors GAIL India Limited for successfully commissioning the Vijaypur-Auraiya Pipeline Project. The project was completed with final value of 1900 crore rupees against the approved cost of 2,881 crore rupees. Approximately a saving of 900 crore rupees was achieved during the project implementation. Under the same category, we have a special commendation, and that goes to Sun Petrochemicals Private Limited. This award honors Sun Petrochemicals Private Limited for Bhaskar Field Central Processing Facility project. Distributed digital control system was implemented under digital advancement, and over 39 innovative technologies were implemented in this project. Approximately 13 months' time was saved due to innovations in all aspects of the project. For Refinery of the Year, capacity up to 9 mmTPA, the award goes to Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Bina Refinery. Congratulations to the Bina Refinery team This award honors Bharat Petroleum Corporation, Bina Refinery, for achieving significantly higher levels of performance in production, operational efficiencies and energy conservation while meeting the norms of health, safety and environment protection. Under the same category, we have a special commendation that goes to Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Mathura Refinery. This award honors Indian Oil Corporation Limited, Mathura Refinery for achieving significantly higher levels of performance in production, operational efficiencies and energy conservation while meeting the norms of health, safety and environment protection. For Refinery of the Year, capacity higher than 9 MMTPA, the award goes to Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Kochi Refinery. This award honors Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, Kochi Refinery for achieving higher level of performance in production and operational efficiencies and energy conservation while meeting the norms of health, safety and environment protection. For Oil and Gas Retailer of the Year, there is a special commendation which goes to Think Gas Distribution Private Limited. Please welcome the team of Think Gas Distribution Private Limited on stage with a round of applause. This award honors them for their performance in auto fuel retail sector in customer service initiatives. During the era of energy transition, special awards have been introduced this year. Initiatives in Compressed Biogas Company of the Year and initiatives in promoting Hydrogen Company of the Year. First, I would like to announce the award under the initiatives in Compressed Biogas Company of the Year. Here, a special commendation is given to Indian Oil Corporation Limited. This award honors Indian Oil Corporation Limited for its initiatives in the field of compressed biogas through substantial capex investments and advancements in R&D. For initiatives in promoting Hydrogen Company of the Year, special commendation is given to Oil India Limited. Oil India Limited has commissioned a green hydrogen pilot plant with source of solar power 500 kilowatt at Assam. OIL is also developing a liquid organic hydrogen carrier that will carry hydrogen within a radius of 250 kilometers for 1,000 cycles. This award honors Oil India Limited for their initiatives into various domains of green hydrogen. To encourage FIPI student chapters in areas of R&D field under the new energy studies, this award has been introduced this year. for the best PhD thesis in new energy studies, the award goes to Dr. Krishna Raghav Chaturvedi, Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum Technology. This award honors Dr. Krishna Raghav Chaturvedi for his research about significant performance enhancement of novel silica nanofluids and thus their use in improved flow behavior and carbon utilization in subsurface oil field application. Please give a round of applause to Dr. Krishna Raghav Chaturvedi. Congratulations to all the winners.